Many guys like to whine and moan that their girlfriend or significant other abruptly changed after they moved in together or dated for a significant amount of time. She was living in a luxurious apartment when you first met her, driving a BMW, donning expensive designer apparel, and taking frequent trips around the globe. She has an enormous ass, boobs, and is unquestionably attractive. Although she claimed to be a realtor, she never goes out looking for clients. She might even be fluent in all 3 languages. She's hot and is even comfortable performing a doggy in your Lamborghini with ease. However, after a while of dating her, you review your monthly bank statements. Your monthly savings are next to nothing and you're horrified. You acknowledge that your account is in the red as a result of her frequent pricey dinners and shopping expenses. You now begin to remember that she has never bought anything for you. She doesn't make an effort to improve your financial situation or well-being. She has solely provided you with enjoyable sexual experiences and company. Men encounter this circumstance frequently. Then they declare that all women are bitches and gold diggers. Guys, you gotta listen. You choose a woman who has a little worth for you. She has nothing in her head to offer, thus she won't help you in your job, career, or business. Because most men are intimidated by women of high value, they limit their worth and settle for inferior partners. It's cool if you fall into this group of males. Relationships with women who are beneath you are not necessarily harmful. Some low-value women are motivated to improve themselves. Some people make excellent partners. And some people are willing to ride and die alongside you. Unfortunately, the majority of low-value women are come-up ladies. To support their man, they sacrifice their friendships, families, and professional goals. Although I respect the tenacity and loyalty of these women, they could do better by upholding their moral principles. But dude, you have to realize that not all women are created equal. While some people would put up with anything in a relationship, there are others who won't even give a nasty person a chance. The fact that your significant other is hot and attractive does not automatically elevate her status. She may actually be poor value. And this is how to recognize one. She is superficial, materialistic, and lazy. Low-value women are like maid-under wealthy women. They have a classy, bossy appearance. They always order the priciest thing on the menu when you take them out on a date. The issue with those who want to lead luxurious lives is that they don't attempt to acquire that lifestyle on their own, preferring instead to freeload on men. These ladies have a severe sense of entitlement. They believe that men are in charge of their welfare. They are reliant on a man's availability, wealth, and connections. 2. She makes a valiant effort to win you over. Low self-esteem women crave for a high sensation of affection and longing. When it comes to falling in love, she makes decisions based on feelings rather than sound judgment. Often, she's a woman who doesn't value herself quickly and readily attaches to people. She begins to rave about Mr. Marvelous after 1 or 2 dates. She's dependent on the new stranger who is essentially a golden meal ticket for her happiness. High-value women put forth the effort to develop their true femininity, but they do not use those traits to get men attracted to them. If you notice that she persistently ignores your negative behaviors and appears cold when offended, there's a good chance she's only pretending to be in love with you. A lady who truly values herself will not carelessly give her heart away. 3. She's not confident in herself. Her continual need for affirmation and attention is a glaring giveaway. Insecurity is a quality of a low-value woman. Any relationship a woman is in makes her feel insecure. She acts in fear, and that fear is losing her man. When a woman always looks to a man for affirmation and acceptance, she is subtly telling him that she depends on him and won't be okay without him. A confident lady rarely feels insecure. She accepts her shortcomings, knows her worth, and does not look to others for approval. 4. She equates her worth with sex. Low-value women will withhold sex from their partners for 2 reasons. First, she wants you to commit. If you label your relationship and call her your girlfriend, she will let you into her vagina. Second, she thinks that women who give up sex readily are not respected by men, so she plays hard to get to trick them. If she exploits your vacation or birthday presents to exchange sexual favors, if she uses sexual tension to persuade you to do something for her, then she is not worth your time. Women with strong self-esteem are aware that sex does not define them. They are aware that their body belongs to them and that they are free to do whatever they want, which they determine based on their needs, wants, and desires. Thanks for watching. If you like our stuff, subscribe for more motivational content. See you in the next video of The Generous.